Imagine you're told you need tires. Everyone at some point knows this feeling and you think, ouch, my pocketbook is going to take a beating. Then you start shopping for tires and you find so many different brands, styles, prices, even cheap ones. You're lost. Where do you begin? Hi, I'm Nancy at Kneble's Auto Service Center. If you decide to purchase the brand tires the manufacturer has put on your vehicle, make sure you understand that the choice they make is by putting on tires with the best performance in all weather conditions, from the West Coast to the East Coast. Or they may make their choice for better handling or comfort. So when it's time for you to make your purchase, you need to ask yourself, what type of weather condition are you driving in? Do you want summer, winter, or all-season tires? You need to say to yourself, do you do lots of driving in the year so that you may want high miles tires? Or are you looking for mainly comfort? Or number 4, are you looking for mainly economical tires? When purchasing big name tires, these companies spend millions and millions of dollars on research to help formulate just the right design and material when producing their tire, which in turn translates to the price of the tire. You ultimately get what you pay for. Like in toilet paper, they all do the job, just differently. So next time you need to make that all-important tire purchase, remember, they are what's between you and the road, those tires. Thank you for watching.